Welcome to Edu Aspirants, our YouTube channel for competitive exams. In the series of videos, we will learn about manufacturing industries, and this is part 1 on manufacturing industries. This is an example of manufacturing industry. Manufacturing industries are the part of secondary sector where we convert raw material into a more valuable output. This is another example of manufacturing industry. So let's start. What is manufacturing sector? The manufacturing sector consists of establishments that are involved in the mechanical, physical, or chemical transformation of materials, substances, or components to make new and finished products. Establishments in this sector are often called as plants, factories, or mills and use power-driven machines and material handling equipment. This sector also includes establishments that produce handmade products that are produced either in the worker's home or in the premises where the products are made and sold in the same place, like in bakeries, candy stores, and costume tailors. Manufacturing industry may process materials or may contract other establishments to process their materials for them. Both these types are included in this sector. Let us learn about how agriculture and industries complement each other. Agro industries in India have boosted agriculture by raising its productivity. Industries depend on agriculture for their raw materials. Example, the cotton textile industry. Industries provide agricultural inputs like irrigation pumps, fertilizers, insecticides, PVC pipes, machines and tools, etc. to the farmers. Manufacturing industries have assisted farmers in increasing their production and also made the production process very efficient. The development of different modes of transport by the industrial sector has not only helped farmers to obtain agricultural inputs but also helped them trade their products. The contribution of industry to national economy. It contributes 17% share in GDP, that is gross domestic product, and the total share is 27%, out of which 10% comes from mining, quarrying, electricity and gas. The National Manufacturing Competitiveness Council, that is NMCC, was set up in 2004 with the objective of improving productivity. However, this was closed in 2006. Let's see the geographical factors which are very important for any industrial location. That is raw material and water supply, labor and site, power resources and climate, market and transport. Under non-geographical factors, we have capital investment. This is the most important factor. Without the capital, we cannot imagine to set up any industry. And when we talk about capital, we have banking and insurance. And banking and insurance cannot complete the whole industrial plan. We need government policies, product demand, and adequate infrastructure to set up any industry. Agglomeration economies. Savings or benefits companies accrue by clustering together define an agglomerate economy. It allows everybody to use the infrastructure of transport, communication, and other facilities or services. Let's take an example of a mall, where under one roof we get IT, textile, footwear, food court, theatre, and there are lots of people who are dependent directly or indirectly on a mall, just like the transport one. Classification of industries. Industries are classified on the basis of raw materials, main role, capital investment, ownership, bulk and weight of raw materials and finished good. In a similar manner, they have their separate domains. Under raw material, we have agro-based and mineral-based. When we talk about main role, that is basic or key and consumer industry. When we talk about capital investment, we have small-scale industries and medium-scale industries. When we talk about ownership, we have public, private, joint and cooperative. Last but not least, When we talk about bulk and weight of raw materials and finished good, we have heavy and light industry. Agro-based industry, in which we'll learn about textile, that is cotton and jute and sugar. Mineral-based industry, iron and steel, aluminum smelting, chemical industries, fertilizer industry, cement industry. And other industries, we have automobile, IT, and electronics. Let's take a look on light industries and heavy industries. Knitting needles, fuse wires, watches, paint brushes, electric bulbs are examples of light industries. On the other hand, oil, brassware, sewing machines, shipbuilding, automobiles are examples of heavy industries. This brings us to the end of the video on manufacturing industries, that is part 1. Keep revising. The second video on manufacturing industries shall be uploaded soon.